Now, this denotification, my lord, was in the name of one Ninga, my lord, Ninga son of Javra. My lord, he was by then, my lord, no more, my lord.
ಡಿನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ?
My lord, 18/5/1998, my lord. 18/5/1998.
Yes.
Lord, this denotification, interestingly, was 45 days after the issuance of final award notice. This may kindly be noted down. 45 days, exactly 45 days after the issuance of final award notice.
All right.
Now, my lord, Lord, it is for the legal heirs of the deceased person, my lord, in whose name the denotification was done, for them to reclaim the physical possession of the land, my lord. Lord, in fact, till date, my lord, till date, there has been no claim over the possession of the land. Till date, it remains the same. From, my lord, the date of denotification, the possession still vests with MUDA. Now, my lord, now coming back to 15/6/2004, my lord. Lord, there was any more, my lord, the Devanuru third stage, the Kesre Grama, my lord, which is the land in question, survey number 464, Kesre village. Lord, it ceased to exist, my lord, by the year 2004, as per the records. It ceased to exist because Devanuru Badavane came into the place. Because Devanuru Badavane came into place, which comprised of full-fledged layout, inclusive of roads, parks, sites, and other civic communities.
All right.
Now, my lord, as produced from the allotment register, my lord, by, my lord, 15/6/2004, there were numerous allottees, my lord, who were allotted the sites.
Right.
My lord, on 25/8/2004, my lord, 25/8/2004, a sale deed, my lord, came to be executed by one Devraju, who claims to be the owner of the land.
Of what land?
The same land in question, my lord. Now, here, my lord, although the Devanuru Badavane no more exists, he states that he is the owner of the said land in question, and he executes it. And he executes a sale deed. Although, my lord, Kesre Grama ceased to exist and only Devanuru Badavane is in place. On 25/8/2000.
Sale deed refers to Kesre Grama.
Lord?
Sale deed refers to Kesre
Sale
Grama.
deed refers to Kesre Grama. Sale deed refers to Kesre Grama, which is not in existence anymore, man. Now, my lord, in the sale deed, if my lordship may kindly peruse, at page 122, my lord, of the red petition. I'm sorry, my lord. First, my lordship may kindly peruse page 118, my lord. In the third paragraph, my lord, unnumbered third paragraph, if I may read, my lord.
ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ
ನಮೂದು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಸೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಪಿತ್ರಾರ್ಜಿತವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಒಂದನೇ ಜಿ ದೇವರಾಜ ಆದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾತೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, ತಹಲ್ವರವರೆಗಿನ ಕಂದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಕಂದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಹಕ್ಕು ಬಾಧ್ಯತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನಾನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸ್ವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Now I invite my lordship's kind attention to the schedule, my lord, which is forthcoming at page 122.
Yes.
Here, my lord, another interesting aspect, my lord, which would emerge. If I may read, my lord, the schedule, ಮೈಸೂರು ತಾಲೂಕು ಕಸ್ಬಾ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 464ರಲ್ಲಿರುವ 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ಕುಷ್ಕಿ ಜಮೀನಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಚೆಕ್ಕು ಬಂದಿ. He makes 3 claims, my lord. He makes 3 claims. One is, he is alienating an agricultural land. Second is, he has paid tax up till 25/8/2004, which is the date of conveyance, my lord.
But by then sites were formed and allotted also.
That is our case, my lord. How
will it remain agricultural land?
Lord, that is what, my lord, a non-existent land was subjected to a conveyance. It has been. And the third assertion, my lord, that he makes is that he had retained ownership and possession till 25/8/2004.
All right.
Lord, a non-existent land, my lord, was sold. Non-existent land was purchased. Possession, my lord, of the non-existent land was handed over.
Now, who purchases it?
Purchased one by Mallikarjunaya, who is none other than the brother-in-law of the petitioner.
All right.
Please. Now, my lord, the next development, my lord, 15/7/2005. 15/7/2005.
15/7.
15/7/2005. I may invite my lordship's kind attention to page number 136, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, this is an order of conversion, my lord.
Version.
Conversion order. Land, my lord, was fully developed. The Kesre Grama ceased to exist anymore. Now, the same land, my lord,
After this BM Mallikarjuna Swami
after
purchased it.
Mallikarjuna Swami applies for conversion. He applies for conversion.
Yes.
By order dated 15/7/2005, my lord, an application for conversion of a non-existing agricultural land was, my lord, filed by Mallikarjuna Swami. And by order dated 15/7/2005, my lord, the then DC, my lord, one Selva Kumar.
All right, it is, conversion is granted.
Conversion is granted, interestingly, based on two field inspection reports, my lord.
Based on inspection reports.
Based on spot inspection report. Please, my lord. By both by the Tahsildar and DC, my lord. Now, my lords may kindly peruse page 138, my lord. 138. My lord, this is the spot inspection report of the Tahsildar. If I may read the topmost portion, my lord. ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/3/2005 ಕಸಬಾ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 464 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ಜಮೀನಿನ ವಸತಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ BM ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಂಬುವವರು ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ ಕೋರಿರುವ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ರಾಜಸ್ವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರು ಕಸಬಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಗರೊಡನೆ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಥಳ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Subsequently, my lord, another report, my lord, where the DC gives a report stating that he has visited this spot, which is forthcoming at page 139, my lord. Please.
DC also.
DC also, my lord. Lord, in fact, if I may quote, my lord, the DC one, Shri Kumar Nayak, is, my lord, presently the MP of Raichur district. Just for intimation, my lord, nothing more than that. He also, my lord, he says that he has visited this
What
spot.
has that got to do? Yes. All right.
Now, my lord, I would once again, my lord, draw my lordship's kind attention to page 136. Once again, my lord. Please. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the third paragraph, my lord, unnumbered third paragraph.
ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಅದ
No, no. ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ.
ನಗರ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ.
Please. ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಭೂ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪತ್ರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದಿನಾಂಕ 3/9/98 ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪಿತ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರವು ಭೂ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಈವರೆಗೂ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆ ಹೊರಡಿಸಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Lord, the notifications are before my lords. Now, the sanction is granted based on the ground that the land was never subjected to conversion. And, my lord, which lands, my lord?
The very same 3.16 acres.
Very simple. Kindly, it may be perused, my lord. The survey number, the village name, everything is identical, my lord.
All right. Next.
My lord, which lands, my lord, did the revenue officials visit, my lord? Probably my learned senior friend was referring to Wonderland, my lord. Alice in the Wonderland. But here, there is Mallikarjuna Swami, my lord. No Alice. But Wonderland exists. No, my lord. A conversion, my lord.
Land is converted.
Land is converted. Non-existing land is converted.
All right.
Lord, now, my lord, my lordship pointed out before my learned senior started, what is the role of the chief minister? Lord, see, petitioner, my lord, wants this court to believe that these, my lord, blatant illegalities were committed by the offences on their own volition or their own will and fancy. Is it, my lord, possible? Now, I would, my lord, take my lords to further developments. Subsequently, my lord, now we would travel to 2010, my lord, from 2005 conversion.
Then page 140 is
My lord, this is gift deed. Gift deed.
Gift deed from?
Gift deed. From Mallikarjuna Swami to his sister, who is none other than the wife of the petitioner.
This is very land, 3.16 acres.
3.16 acres. My lord,
But where is the land?
There is no land. That is our case, my lord. Non-existent land has been subjected to multiple conveyances. Non-existent land has been subjected to conversion, that too upon spot inspection of the Tahsildar and the.
You only told me that 97 final notification,
Please,
33 final award notice.
please.
Then 15/6/2004 land is formed, sites are formed and allotted to everybody.
Please.
After that, all these things have happened.
After that, all these things have happened.
All right.
My lord, how could the revenue authorities, my lord, find and identify an agricultural land, my lord, to pass an order of conversion? But these are the shocking facts, my lord, which emerge, my lord. Once we go further, my lord, there are even more.
Inno
uh,
idea? Okay.
Please,
Yes.
now I would take my lords to the gift deed. My lord.
Hmm.
Gift deed, my lord, was made by my lord one Mallikarjuna Swami, who is none other than the brother of the
I
brother-in-law of the
Gift deed is in accordance with law.
No, my lord. How can it be, my lord? Non-existent land is gifted.
Lala, he has purchased some land, got
Yes.
it converted.
Got it.
He has gifted it.
My lord, where was the land to purchase?
That is, we'll see. But
It has to
these
be.
things are in accordance with law. It's all right.
My lord, registration is in accordance with law.
Solid.
My lord, he claims
Sale deed registration is accordance with law.
only no, my lord, the registration process is in accordance with law, but the gift deed, my lord, my lord, it is inherently, my lord, invalid because there's no land, my lord. There's no land at all left. Post 2001, my lord, there is no. I mean, the Kesara Grama ceases to exist.
Eagle sites form agide.
Sites are formed. Numerous number of allottees were allotted sites. How could, my lord, they claim that an agricultural land exists?
All
And
right.
in the gift deed as well, why I would say, my lord, this gift deed is fraudulent is that in the gift deed, my lord, he says that he's been paying tax till 2010. To which land, my lord, was he paying taxes? Was it inclusive of the sites, my lord, that are allotted?
Sites are not allotted to him anyway.
My lord,
Yes.
it is allotted to somebody else. my
Yes,
lord.
somebody else.
How could?
Which taxes are? This land is denotified.
No, land is denotified. Denotified, 1 minute.
My lord, they have come up with an explanation.
18/5/1998 denotified. Then how did MUDA form sites and distribute it after denotification? It should vest to the owner.
My lord, they have given explanation, my lord. In the cabinet note, they have given an explanation.
Compensated whom? The landowners.
That is exactly, my lord.
Who is compensated now? Title holder of the day, not the landowners who lost their land then. No, sir, after denotification, it should go back to the landowner, go back to the government. Go back to MUDA rather. Yes. It's gone back to the owner. Owner is that Devraj, is it? Who sold the land to Mallikarjun. Owner is Devraj. The title holder as on the date of the preliminary
He is
notification.
not the owner, my lord.
Then?
Page one. No, that is one of the, without going into, that is one of the allegation. Allegation, alala, I'm not.
No, all right. Yes.
This one.
So therefore, land, its character is restored.
Then MUDA formed sites in the agricultural land.
Allegation is not the twofold allegation.
Sorry.
Several such lands have. No,
So it was mistake of MUDA in forming sites in an agricultural land. So that is why compensation is granted.
Nobody has questioned the gift deed, where are the location? Why?
Well, who will question?
How would they question, my
Who
lord?
will question?
How would they question?
Well, it's a personal thing. Why will someone question the gift deed?
Something becomes impersonal. Somebody.
No, gift deed is purely personal between who is the donor or the donee. That we'll see, yes.
My lord, now, my lord, in connection to the ownership, kindly, my lord, pages 78 may kindly be perused of the writ petition. Page 78, my lord.
Anyway, 1992 owners are Allah.
No,
Owners were different.
Not at all. Page 78 may kindly be perused.
Allegation,
my lord.
just one interjection. The allegation is like this. The original owner died. He had 3 sons. Among them, lords, there was an arrangement by which one person, one Mailaraya, was held the property. but the land is sold by some other person to these persons.
That Devraj or some.
Devraj, he
Who's the
is-
son, my lord?
Lord,
No, no.
in fact,
Who's the son?
Mailaraia's name continued, no, these are all allegations. Mailaraia's name continued in the record,
right.
right?
Let him finish.
No, I'm just only supplementing what my learned friend is saying.
Yes.
but page 78 may kindly be perused, my lord. Because exactly what I'm trying to put forth, my lord. There are numerous transactions, my lord, in the encumbrance certificate,
Hmm.
which are forthcoming. Only Mailaraya's name, my lord, would reflect
Throughout,
throughout.
up to 2003.
Please.
All right. Yes. Anyway, these are on facts.
These are on facts. my lord.
Yes. Mugsbudi.
I mean, that's not our concern, my lord. We are never getting into
Report.
ownership.
That's
Please,
what, these are on facts. Yes.
please, please. Lord, coming back to the gift deed, my lord. Now, in the gift deed, my lord, there were some, my lord, affirmations which are made, that is in connection to possession and tax being paid. How could, my lord, one be in possession of an already developed land by a development authority?
No, it was denotified Andrala.
But physical possession, my lord, remained with the MUDA, and it is still unquestioned. And they, my lord, in the cabinet note, they admit that the compensation is being paid because in the year 2001 itself, MUDA had encroached and they had developed the land
Right.
unintentionally. I mean, that is their affirm, my lord. What they say is that the intimation of denotification was not given to the concerned officer of the MUDA. Therefore, my lord, they were under the impression that the land is still under acquisition and they had, my lord, proceeded. That is their explanation, my lord. It is not my version. Lord, through this gift deed, my lord, in fact, my lord, nothing was sold, my lord, from the beginning, and nothing was purchased, and now nothing is gifted, my lord. Now, based on this nothing, there is something which happened.